Biochemistry is the study of the chemistry of life, so how living systems function. So it's a very broad field in that sense, but very specific in that you're looking at cells and tissues and how they work in a living system. Biochemistry graduates often will go into pre-professional programs such as medical school and dental school even. Occasionally we'll have someone go into law school. So if you're a biochemistry major and you're headed to medical school, you'll get the background that you need to do well on your exams, your entrance exams, and to be prepared for the biochemistry that occurs in medical school. Same thing for dental school. Those who go into law school, it's really to go into patent law. So the science aspect of the law field. That's about maybe a third of our majors. Another third are those that are going to graduate school to become researchers, and they'll be researchers either in academic institutions or in the biotechnology or pharmaceutical industry. And then as some of our majors go directly into some of those same industries, working in labs in a biotech company, for example. Well, as a biochemistry major, you're going to understand the fundamentals of chemistry, but then you're going to apply them to biological systems. So you'll learn how the complex chemistry is done by the proteins in cells. You'll learn how those proteins are made from DNA and RNA, and then you'll understand the molecular basis of disease, which is when those types of systems malfunction and result in disease. So it's important for anyone who's trying to understand disease and also those who are trying to treat and develop therapeutics, drugs for diseases. The most similar major obviously is chemistry, and what you do as a biochemist is you apply the principles that you learn in chemistry to biological systems, and so your focus is different than that of a chemist. Other majors will be in biology, and biochemistry tends to get more at the molecular level of how cells function, how organisms work. Whereas the life science majors are more at the organismal level and not as in-depth in the chemistry. You should select biochemistry as a major if you're interested in making a difference in the world in the biomedical field. So if you're going to medical school, if you're hoping to be a researcher, you want to cure cancer, all of those things biochemistry will really help you understand what you need to know in order to be able to make the discoveries that improve human life and health.